the deal of the week.
Deal of the week.
On 𝐾𝐈𝐑𝐒 Street,
Okay.
number 14. All right, so this one, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,500 square foot.
Yeah.
And it's listed at $575,000.
What I like about this one, it has a big front yard and backyard, which you don't have in townhomes. Usually you go from the sidewalk to your front door. This one is, there's a
Like a corner end unit.
Corner end unit.
Lots of
green space.
Yep.
The kids, there's a little hill that goes down to the main drag. The kids can get the cardboard and go slide up and down that hill.
So there's 2 assigned parking stalls. One is covered, one open. And you know what? There's lots of street parking, convenient to shopping, schools, and commuting routes.
And when you need to paina, which means party.
So it is open on Sunday from 11 until 2. This is a short sale.